Hey everyone, winter's here and it's chilly. Today we are making roasted butternut squash in pepper soup. A simple, hearty, and healthy recipe that's perfect for winter. Let's get started. All the ingredients for this recipe are listed below. While the recipe is simple and easy, be ready to spend some time prepping the vegetables. However, once you start, it goes pretty quick. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. We'll start by cutting the butternut squash. I've given it a good wash and dried it along with the rest of the vegetables. Cut the butternut squash in half with a sharp knife, then trim off the stem of the squash. I'm cutting this piece in half once more to make it easier to grip and peel the squash with a knife. Alternatively, using a peeler is also quite simple. If you're confident with your knife skills, go ahead, but always prioritize safety first. I'm wearing disposable gloves to avoid staining my hands while peeling the squash. Its bright orange color can cause irritation, so the gloves help protect the skin. Now cut the first peel half of the squash into cubes. Butternut squash is a nutritional powerhouse rich in vitamins A and C, potassium and fiber. It supports your immune system, promotes heart health, and helps keep you full for longer. Add this versatile vegetable to your diet. It's perfect for soups, curries, casseroles, and more. Continue by peeling the body, then scoop out the seeds before cutting the rounds into cubes. You can choose to discard the seeds or save them for roasting. Squash seeds are not only tasty, but also perfect for garnishing recipes. Transfer the squash cubes into a large bowl. Next, roughly chop the bell peppers. I've got a mix of colors. Follow that by roughly chopping a small onion. Finally, grab a few washed and peeled carrots and cut them diagonally or into chunks. Transfer the chopped vegetables to a baking tray. Add few sprigs of thyme for a depth of flavor that complements the roasted vegetables. Add crushed garlic with skin on, but remember to remove the skin after roasting. Drizzle with a tablespoon of olive oil. If you're enjoying this content, please consider subscribing. Also add cumin and coriander seed, along with garam masala for some depth of flavor. Mix everything thoroughly well. Roast the vegetable in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until the vegetables are soft and tender. Take the vegetable out of the oven when they are soft and have a slight char on the edges. Next, over medium-low heat, pour olive oil into the pot and add chopped onions. Allow them to soften and caramelize slightly before adding garlic and ginger to the mix. Add the roasted vegetable to the pot. Remember to remove and discard the garlic peels. Followed by 1 liter of vegetable stock. If you don't have vegetable stock, water can be used as an alternative. Also add more smoked paprika, ground turmeric and 2 bay leaves. Stir well and bring the soup to a medium boil for 15 minutes. Once the soup has reached a boil, reduce it to a lower simmer. This cooks the roasted veggies, blending the flavors together. After simmering for 15 minutes, allow the soup to cool slightly and don't forget to remove the bay leaves. Now blend the soup. I'm using a hand blender, but a food processor works just as well. Personally, I prefer blending straight from the pot. This soup smells amazing with all those spices, making it flavorful. While it's already good as it is, I'm adding a dash of sour cream to make it even creamier, elevating the taste. Season with salt and pepper to your liking. This roasted butternut squash and pepper soup is a winter favorite of mine, not only because it's delicious and healthy, but also because it's incredibly easy to make. Ladling the soup into a bowl and drizzling it with cream. For garnish, I like to sprinkle mixed seeds for that extra crunch as you enjoy it. This soup pairs perfectly with toasted bread or a grilled sandwich. There are different ways to spice up this soup, and I would love to hear if you try this recipe. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, like and share. Until next time,